Labels and stickers are everywhere, on water bottles, on cars, and even on the sandwiches that you buy. In fact, every business makes use of labels. I bet you yours does too. And now you can make them for yourself. Here's how. Labels and stickers are made from adhesive paper, a kind of media that has a non-sticking back. The front materials of course vary, but most of them can be printed on your home and office laser printer. This is our VAuto A3 size fully automatic Superfast laser cutting machine with ADF Auto Sheet Feeder. Visit labelcutter.co.za and check out the assembly instructions. This label cutter comes with free plugins for CorelDRAW, which you can download from cncu.co.za. And no other additional software is needed to perform label and sticker print and cutting. Installing the plugin is easy. Simply follow the instruction prompts or call our support on 076 666 6655 and get remote assistance from our gurus. Here is a design on an A4 paper size. Click this button to add the registration mark and cutting area mark. The cutting area is shown as a red square, in which you must place your design. Anything outside this area won't be cut, and the red square itself of course will not be printed. You will see a message saying visible but not printable layers at the print window. This is by design. Design your cutting line in hairline or in a solid full area. Use either of these methods or else you will get a double cut. Print your design on a normal home or office printer that is suitable to print your sticker paper. Now feed all of them face up into the ADF Auto Sheet Feeder in the back of the machine. Adjust the bracket to make sure the paper is loaded in the middle. Don't lift the roller and make sure it's always down. You only need to lift it during cleaning. Since our VAuto label cutter is based on the VAuto vinyl cutter to perform cutting contour, the way of setting up the blade and blade holder is the same, as is pressure and speed adjustment. You can find videos on these subjects at sorted.co.za, our training video website. Now, in CorelDRAW, select the lines you would like to cut, then press the contour cutting button. If the preview is fine, press start. You will see the VAuto label cutter start loading the first page and trying to locate the registration mark, which is the way the machine knows where to cut. The registration mark is located on all four corners, and this is to make sure all distributions have been picked up and considered during cutting. Once all registration marks are found, it will cut 2 lines inside the corner of the first registration mark, not only to calibrate the accuracy, but also to adjust the blade angle for the cutting. Once the first page is printed, the label cutter will load the next page and repeat the process. The paper we are cutting is normal sticker paper, which can be purchased from most general stationery stores. Let's try another. Brown craft sticker paper. Load and cut. Perfect sticker paper for gift wrapping. And lastly, let's try something different. This is a silver-coated reflecting paper like a mirror. Many drink packaging companies use this kind of sticker. If you feel that it is difficult to pick up the registration marks, use the adjusting wheel for the laser and pay attention to the lights. They will flicker when the registration marks are found. They remain on when marks are not found and off when they are found. Make sure there are no prints below the eye and turn the wheel counterclockwise until the light goes off. Then turn the wheel clockwise gently until lights come back on. Then turn slightly a little more. Now press enter and the cutter will try the reading process again. without the need of expensive equipment, but rather by utilizing the printer you already have and printing on the media suitable for your application, from normal paper sticker to waterproof glossy labels, our VAuto label cutting machine will help your business make labels whenever you need them. For more information, please visit labelcutter.co.za or call our friendly sales team on 060 600 6000.